back to our channel. I'm Abigail and you're watching the English Dictionary. So, sorry for not posting videos for the past 2 or just a week or so. I was tied up with some work and I was really busy, so I was not able to do it. But hopefully, I am back now, and today we are here with another topic, the diary entry or writing, that is. And of course, by me, the English Dictionary. Okay, so before we go on with the topic, I want you to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified for more videos just like this. Also, don't forget to like this video if you really liked it. Let's move on. What is the use of diaries? So, the main thing when starting a diary for your own or doing a diary entry, you need to know what the use of diaries are, or else it would be useless in your life. So, diaries are very useful. They keep hold of your best memories in life and what you have done each day. Diaries can be used to write your secrets and what had happened in your day. It can also be considered as your best friend as it keeps all your secrets, thoughts, etc. safe. Diaries are informal. So, yes, diaries are very useful in life and they keep hold of your best memories in life. Like, you had a great memory in which you and your friends spent time in Goa or any other place and you had a best day there, you went on a vacation, you had tasted amazing food items, and you need to remember that you like take a picture or something, but picture doesn't stay longer as it you'll have to delete it due to your phone space. So you write it down on your personal diary and keep it hold of it. And what you have done each day, yes, what you do each and every day, you can note that down in your diary too. Like today morning I had this for breakfast, and then I did this before I did that, and so on. And diaries can be used to write your secrets and what had happened in your day. So diaries can be used to write your personal secrets that you don't want to share with anyone, not even for a bit or two. You can keep it in your diary, as a diary is a non-living thing, can barely talk, walk, or open by itself, or it'll be just paranormal stuff. And yes, it can also be considered as your best friend as it keeps all your secrets, thoughts, etc. safe. So since it's a non-living things, it doesn't. I'm not judging you. That it's not like we need to judge others just because they consider only a diary as a best friend and all other human beings. You have many people who love you also each and every day who care for you. So don't lose hope. This diary is just like that. Whereas it's better than some friends you have, but you don't have to compare them with a diary that is a non-living thing. And most of your friends may just leak all your personal secrets you've shared with them, but you don't have to compare them to a simple non-living book. It's just a useful thing that you can use to keep hold of many stuff. And diaries are informal. Yes, it's your very personal book and it is informal. You can write anything in it, but please avoid slang language. So slang language as it is, this is they use it most of the time when talking, but it's not highly recommended when you're writing in your diary. You can just write hi, hey, that's no problem. But writing slangs like yup, nope, these, no. Those are complete slangs and you're not going to use them in your diary, not even once. Now let's see the format of a diary entry. The format of a diary entry. So we have to refer the given format which are given for you guys. So first one we write is 29th March 2021 at 11:36. If it's the morning or the night, it doesn't matter. You're supposed to mention if it's AM or PM, but I have not mentioned it because according to you it might be day or night. Dear diary, my day today was beautiful and great. I had lots of fun with my friends today. We even went to the neighborhood park and we talked, played, and did many lovely crafts. We also had a group study to prepare for our upcoming exam. I hope we meet again tomorrow and have fun again. So as I told on the previous slide, diaries are informal. And over here I've said we also had a group study to prepare for upcoming exam. So exam, that's informal there. Examination is the formal one. But I think exam is also formal, whereas informal, there's a unchargeable area there. So the first 29 March 2021, 11:36 a.m. or p.m. That is the date and the time. You need to mention that specifically, or else we have no idea when that happened. And dear diary is a salutation, and the rest of them is just the entry, the body. Like my day today was beautiful and great. From that to have fun again, that's the whole body. And no, we do not note down thank you, you're faithfully. No, no, no. This is your own personal diary, and there will be no end to it. Just dear diary, dear diary, dear diary. That's it. So now let's see the next one. Let's see how the format works. As we saw in the previous slide, it has shown the format of the diary entry or the writing. The main things you need while writing, noting down, or diary entry or writing are the date and time, the 29 March, that one, the salutation, dear diary, the body, my day today, as I told you. These three things are needed for a diary entry or writing. The date and time helps us to know when and what time we have written that entry. The salutation is like a greeting in a polite way. The body of the entry is what the things you're going to write in your diary. So yes, it's pretty obvious for most of us. So the date and time, 29 March 2021, that is when you're gonna think, when did I have this wonderful moment? Did I have it 2 years ago, 3 years ago? Which time, what date? When have I written it down? So that's a great remembrance for this. And the salutation is like greeting in a polite way, like you say to your best friend, hi, how are you? It's so nice to meet you after a long time, complimenting them and so on. So for the diary, just like that, dear diary, we tell them in a respected and polite way. And the body of the entry is what you're going to write in your diary. For example, if you're going to write your body as your whole day, you're going to write down your whole day, and that is the body of your diary entry. And if you're going to write down the most important stuff in your diary entry, and that is the body of the diary entry. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Since it's very informal, it's simple, but when it comes to very formal things, it gets a little tough, but it'll get easy as you get used to it as well. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to hit the bell notification to watch more videos just like this. Also don't hesitate and feel free to comment down your doubts and queries, and I'll be ready to clear them for you. See you all next Monday. Bye bye.